Hi students, today we are working on page 643. This is still chapter 9, lesson 2, and this is on my own. So let's go ahead and start off by reading the instructions. It says write how many sides and vertices. So let's look at number 5. So let's start off by counting the sides of this shape. Now by looking at the shape, we can tell that this is a trapezoid. So let's make sure it's a trapezoid. Remember that a trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices. If it has 4 sides and 4 vertices, then we are correct. This is definitely a trapezoid. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's start off by counting the sides. So help me count, please. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this one has 4 sides. So far, we are on the right path. Now let's look for its vertices. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 vertices. So this shape is definitely a trapezoid. Now let's look at number 6. Let's count its sides. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3 vertices. So 3 sides and 3 vertices, we know that that is a triangle. All right, let's look at number 7. Circle the objects that match the description. So the description says 4 sides, 4 vertices. Well, let's look at the first shape. This is a circle, this is a dime. Circles have no sides, right? They're just round. So this one cannot have 4 sides, right? Now let's look at the next shape. This one has 1, 2, and 3 sides. So we said this one is not, and this one only has 3 sides. We need an object that has 4 sides. So this one only has 3. So that cannot be our object, right? So we're going to mark an X. Now let's look at the last object. Let's see how many sides it has. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it has 4 sides. Now we need to make sure it has 4 vertices. So let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it also has 4 vertices. So this is the object that matches the description. Now let's look at number 8. The description says 3 sides, 3 vertices. Let's see which one has 3 sides. Let's look at the first object. 1, 2, 3. This one has 3 sides. Now let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3. This one has 3 sides and 3 vertices, so this is one object. Okay. Now, if we count the sides on this one, we need to see if it's what we're looking for. We need 3 sides, 3 vertices. So ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh, it has 4 sides. We need 3. This is not the object we're looking for. Now, we count the sides on this sail, right? On the sailboat. It might have the 3 sides and 3 vertices, but let's figure that out first, right? So help me count. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3 vertices. This is also an object that we're looking for. Number 9, circle the closed shapes. Remember, closed shapes mean that there is no way out. It is fully closed, right? It's like if you're in your room and your door is closed, you have to open the door in order to get out. So in this case, if the shape is missing a part, it's open. Anybody can come in and anybody can walk out. So we need a shape that is fully closed where nobody can go out and nobody can come in. So let's look at this first shape. This is a trapezoid. Is this fully closed? If I trace it, nope, it stops right there. So this is an open trapezoid. That is not what I'm looking for. So I will mark an X. Now let's look at the next shape. I'm going to trace it just to see if it's a closed shape. Oh, it's fully closed. This is a shape that I'm looking for, so therefore I will circle it. Now let's look at the next one. If I trace it, Is it fully closed? No. So I am going to put an X. Now let's look at the next shape. I'm going to trace it, make sure it's all the way closed. All sides are closed. Yep. This is another shape that I want. And we have one more. Let's see that. Looks good so far. Oh boy. It didn't close all the way. It's missing just one little part. So this is not the shape we want. Right, friends? All right, friends. So great job. Let's turn the page over. We are now going to work on page 644, and we only have 2 problem-solving questions. So it says, draw and write the name of each shape. So number 10, I am a 2-dimensional shape that has 3 sides and 3 vertices. What shape am I? So if we go back to the other page, remember that a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices, and a trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices. So in this problem, the clues are 3 sides, 3 vertices. What shape do I draw? Should it be a triangle or should it be a trapezoid? A triangle is the correct answer. So I will draw a triangle because again, it has 3 sides and we can check 1, 2, 3. And it has 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is triangle. Okay. Now let's read number 11. So number 11 says, I am a 2-dimensional shape that has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Only 2 of my sides are the same length. What shape am I? So now this one sounds a bit bigger, all right? And if you look at this picture, and if you look at the corners on the sides, it looks like it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. So the dimensional shape that they're looking for in number 11 is a trapezoid. So let's go ahead and draw a trapezoid. So I'm going to start off by drawing my top part. And the line kind of goes slanted down. And then so does the other one. And then I just close it. Okay, we have a trapezoid. Now to make sure that we have 4 sides and 4 vertices, I'm just going to count my sides just to be 100% sure. So please help me count, friends. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this matches the information that they gave us in the problem. So we are correct. The answer is a trapezoid. All right, and we are all done with this page. Great job, friends. I will see you next time.